Alright guys, welcome back. I just got done stirring some rye around in the truck. That dad combine too wet. Whatever. Anyway, me and my brother are gonna go out and bale some hay. He's gonna let me drive the tractor today, which is nice because it's like feels like it's like 90 degrees out. So yeah, I'm gonna get some footage of that, and I hope you guys enjoy it. There you go. Woo. Boot. Oh. Nothing out there. Dad's car. Oh, it's burning me. We are heading out. Uh-oh, no brakes. Just kidding. Got my water jug, my gloves. I'm ready. We have made it to one of the roughest roads. This road sucks and I hate it. Coming up on the highway now. I'll put my hazards on so I don't forget later. There we go. Oh boy. Going on. I ain't gonna make it. Gotta unfold this baler and then we'll get baling. Finished up that outside there, and then we got a headland done right here, and we're doing this second headland, and then we'll start doing these rows. First cutting, we got 2 loads off this. I think we're only gonna get 1 now. We had more rain. Just started biting into the back and forth rows here. We got 1, 2, 3 with this one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more, but some are short and some are long. Alright, we are wrapping up here. All we got is that down there. I don't know if you can really see that, but that's all we got left, and then we're gonna head home. I think. I don't know if we're gonna bring these bills to anybody or what we're gonna do, but I'm hoping we go home because it's hot out. I don't feel like unloading bales. that's all that's left. Not much, but we got some. Alright. Why are my gloves wet? All I was doing was sitting on them. Ooh. Here you go. We only got 82 bales or something. I think first cutting we got 2 full loads. Hazards on. Hopefully we don't get killed. This guy, get going. Why isn't this guy going? Go. Yippee-ki-yay. Move over. Please move over. Thank you. Jesus. Man, some people really need to save that extra second. Saying, I just saw some pickup. He was behind like a service truck and he pulled out. He was probably like 50 feet behind us and then he had to skirt right back in. Like, just calm down. They don't use blinkers or anything, they just fly. They do not care. Whatever. On the gravel where idiots can't hit us. Let's go. Are we there yet? Whoa. Here's some of our wheat. More wheat. No, Owen. You're leaving your twine. No. I gotta catch him. Oh no. Oh no, what? It's not even moving. That one on the right, I think it's just unwinding. Get him to stop here, maybe. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh gosh. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's wrapped around the... Yeah, that shouldn't be that hard to get out. Oh my, what happened? Oh. Oh no. Oh my, oh, and it goes so far back.
What are you gonna tell me about that?
Well, today we lost like at least 200 bales worth of twine. Maybe less, maybe more, I don't know. We lost a lot of twine, so I don't know what it hooked on or something, but oh well. He's mad up there, but he'll get over it. Well, I think I know the title of this video is gonna be. And I never filmed an outro. So, if you guys enjoyed that video, go down below and like it up. And then, if you guys want to see more stuff like that, subscribe too. That's down below. And if you got any questions, leave a comment. Bye, guys.